Namaste one and all. In this relaxed, comfortable, serene environment, today I will teach you a wonderful relaxation technique which has been used by most of the psychologists and psychiatrists worldwide. Along with Yoga Nidra, you will also learn some of these special psychotherapy techniques. The name of the technique is called as JPMR, Jacobson's Progressive Muscular Relaxation Technique. Jacobson was a Canadian physician, Canadian doctor who was very much interested in yoga. Out of his interest towards yoga, he used the technology of contraction of muscles and relaxation of muscles as a biorhythm to work on different parts of the body in a view to create a biorhythm of relaxation response. What it means, when you are focusing on certain group of muscles, you are putting your awareness onto those group of muscles and you are tightening for few seconds followed by relaxing for few seconds. You are actually creating a sense of a habit in your body muscles to contract followed by relax. For this contract followed by relax, when you are doing progressively one muscles after another muscles, your body will get used to it and it will become totally relaxed throughout the body. So if neck muscles are paining, headache is happening, your blood pressure is high, you are having somatic symptoms, you are having anxiety, depression or any other symptoms, the biorhythm of the body will change towards the relaxation response. So this is a beautiful relaxation response which we are going to do it now practically and then we discuss later. There are many research articles on this JPMR. It's also called as PMR, Progressive Muscular Relaxation Technique, or also called as Neuromuscular Relaxation Technique. We have to only remember two things while doing these techniques. No prior knowledge of yoga or any other relaxation technique is needed. Mentally, you are focusing on the contraction of certain group of muscles for 5 seconds, holding the contraction for 5 seconds, followed by relaxation of the same group of muscles for 5 seconds. So you do that, put your awareness on that area and then go to the next group of muscles. So one group followed by the next group and the next group. So it is called as progressive muscular, muscles are there involved. Relaxation, it will induce the relaxation. Come on friends, we'll do it now. I want you to lie down in a comfortable lying down posture. You can also choose to sit on the chair if you are comfortable. Shavasana. Both hands by the side of your body, palms facing upwards. Try to adjust your body in a relaxed outlook. You feel relaxed. So there are 13 parts of the body which we use for progressive muscular relaxation technique. So we start with the forearm muscles and then we go up to the arms, then we go up to the trapezius muscles, then we go up to the eyebrows and the frontalis muscles, then we go to the eyes, then we go to the jaw, then we go to the lips, then we go to the tongue, then we go to the neck muscles, then we go to the chest, then we go to the abdomen, then we go to the hip till the knee, then we go at last from the knee to the tip of the toes. So these are the sequence. You don't need to remember, just be relaxed, casual, just follow the simple instructions. 5 seconds contraction, 5 seconds relaxation. Take a deep breath in, a relaxed breathe out. Simple breathe in and relaxed breathe out. Be aware of your pattern of breathing and get ready mentally for JPMR, Jacobson's Progressive Muscular Relaxation Technique. Both feet together, both hands by the side of your thighs. Make a fist of your hand, contract your forearm muscles as tight as you can and hold it in contraction for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly and gently relax. Be aware of the sensation of contraction followed by the relaxation. Be aware of this duality of contraction and relaxation. Then we go to the biceps and triceps. How to do? You can fold the biceps and triceps and tighten as strong as you can and hold it tight for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very slowly relax and bring it back towards the side of your body.